If you've ever said, cash looks right, I think, that's exactly how books get ugly. Today, what is a bank reconciliation? It's how you prove cash, not hope cash. I'm a CPA and I review reconciliations for a living. What you'll learn, what you're matching, bank versus books, the 7-step flow, what to do when it won't tie, what evidence reviewers expect, main teaching step by step. Grab the bank statement period. Confirm opening balance matches last month's rec. Match deposits. Watch undeposited funds. Match withdrawals. ACH, checks, card. Add bank-only items to books, fees or interest. Identify timing. Outstanding checks plus deposits in transit. Any difference left? It's an error. Find it, don't force it. Examples. Client had a $12,000 missing deposit. It was sitting in undeposited funds. Another one. Bank fee hit monthly. Nobody booked it. Recon off by $25 forever. Reviewer notes. Red flags. Forced plug entry. Old uncleared items, negative cash. What reviewers check? Statement date, last rec link, stale items, 60 days, transfers recorded, both sides, no duplicate matches. Docs that should exist. PDF statement, rec report, notes on variances. Quick checklist recap. Statement saved. Opening ties. Deposits matched, withdrawals matched, fees, interest booked, timing items listed, stale items reviewed, transfers double checked, no plugs, reviewer notes added. Drop a comment with the one-line item that always trips you up. If this sounds like your close process, you're not alone. Like, subscribe, and I'll post a won't reconcile troubleshooting flow next week.